We have another example on the board. Again, before we are going to apply quadratic formula, we're supposed to organize this equation. I mean, we have to move 8x to the left side of the equal sign. So we are going to have x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 0. The coefficient of x squared is positive invisible 1. Okay, so this is my a, negative 8 is my b, and constant is my c. Now we're supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a is equal negative, and I have b negative 8. I'm supposed to write parentheses negative 8 because this negative comes from the formula and this negative comes from the equation. Plus minus square root, and I have b squared, which is equal negative 8 square minus 4, and a is 1 times c, which is equal positive 7. I have to write 7 over here. Over 2 times a. A is 1. Okay, this is equal. X equals negative times negative gives me positive, so I have 8 plus minus square root, and I have negative 8 to the second power is equal 64 minus 4 times 1 is equal 4, and I have 4 times 7 is equal 28. Don't forget about the negative sign, so this is negative 28 over 2 times 1 is equal 2 equals 8 plus minus square root 64 minus 28 is equal 36 over 2, which is equal 8 plus minus square root of 36 is equal 6 over 2. This is equal x equals 8 plus 6 over 2, which is equal 8 plus 6 is equal 14 over 2, which is equal 7, or x is equal 8 minus 6 over 2 equals 8 minus 6 is equal 2. 2 over 2 is equal 1. So these are the solutions to my problem.